Hey, what's going on? Hope you are having a great Monday. It's Taylor with Fair Digital Marketing. Wanted to send a quick email to go over Facebook's ad manager and just the power of Facebook. I know there's a lot of um, there's a lot of controversy around Facebook ads being just a one size fits all, where you make an ad, you throw it up on Facebook, and you hope people see it, you hope people engage with it. So if that is you who thought that, um, I got a pleasant surprise for you. The power of Facebook advertising. So let's get into it. Right now, we're in the Facebook Ads Manager. I have a task from Lovely Apple's updates and privacy acts. So Resource Center, campaigns, ad sets, ads. We're just going to go over one small part of that, and that is choosing the campaign. So this is the very first part. And as you can see, there are three main categories that we can advertise in. So it's not just make an ad and send it out. So what are we trying to achieve? So awareness, this is good just for building awareness, letting, so campaigns, politicians are going to really use this one, just spreading awareness, spreading your word. Even McDonald's, they're at a size where it makes sense for them just to send out an ad that has no call to action. It's just staying in front of people, letting people know, what they're up to. Maybe they have a promotion at that time, their McCafe. It's just reach, getting to as many people as possible to influence them in that sense. Consideration is the next one. So consideration is really, trying to get the most amount of reach possible, but also you want them to take a step. You want them to either consume your content, maybe go to a landing page and subscribe to your email list, maybe get them to engage and get them to buy something. It's not, directly for that. The next category will kind of dive a little more into that, but this one is to get high traffic, get people engaging with you, commenting, liking your post, and you can see, traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, and messages. So Facebook has been gathering data for a very long time now, which they have information on all of us. If you're on Facebook, if you have a Facebook account, if you've been using your Facebook account, the truth of the matter is that Facebook has this intel. They know if you're a clicky type person. They know if you watch a lot of videos. They know if you buy a lot of things off of Facebook or through Facebook. They know what type of personality traits each and every one of us has. So when we're advertising to traffic, we are getting a broad scope of people to run traffic, people who like link clicks, people who like going through the internet web. They're going to be advertised to your advertisement more prone. So same thing with engagement. People who like engaging with landing pages or click here to receive our free list on, to make sure you're brushing your teeth properly before bed. And people who like to engage are going to click on that. Same thing, app installs, video views, people who like to watch videos, lead generation, subscribing to email lists, and messages, sending you messages. So very, very, very detailed. It gets pretty intense. And I'm going to be sending another video to go further in the next steps, but we're going to keep this one short for today. Conversions, the last one, again, it's what it sounds like, sales. So you are focused on making a conversion here. You want your products to sell. So if you have a sell, or if you have a product that you're looking to sell, you're looking to set up a conversion where people can click the link, go to your sales page, click the product, buy the product, and then go down the funnel if you have a back-end funnel set up. So hope that was educational for today. Thank you for the time. And if you have any questions, of course, let me know. Shoot me an email, phone call, text message, whatever it may be. And we will talk soon. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye-bye.